Welcome students in maths class. We have started general solutions in previous lecture. So let's continue general solution. Exercise 3.1 we have started. Question number 3 we completed. Let's begin with question number 4. See, question number 4, we find general solution of sec theta is equals to root 2. So let's start. Sec theta is equal to root 2. We find general solution of this equation. Sec theta is equal to root 2. Take reciprocal of this, that is reciprocal will be cos theta, and this reciprocal is 1 upon root 2. We know cos of pi by 4 is equals to 1 by root 2. So write it cos pi by 4. Thus we are getting cos theta is equal to cos pi by 4. We have a solution for this equation. Cos theta is equals to cos alpha, that is theta is equals to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So as we know, cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies 2n pi, theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So we apply this result here. Therefore solution will be theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is this pi by 4, where n is belonging to z. N belongs to z. So this is a general solution of the first question. Sec theta is equals to root 2. Now next question is cosec theta is equals to minus root 2. Cosec theta is equal to minus root 2. Again we take reciprocal of both sides. Reciprocal of cosec theta is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. So 1 by root 2 is sin of pi by 4. Sin theta is equal to minus sin of pi by 4. And sin is negative in third quadrant. So it will be sin of pi plus pi by 4. As we know, sin of pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So we apply this. So sin of minus sin of pi by 4 is sin of pi plus pi by 4. Sin theta is equal to sin pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4, which is 5 pi by 4. So sin theta is equal to sin pi by 4. So sin theta is sin alpha. Now as we know, sin theta is equal to sin alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n alpha. N belongs to z. Therefore theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n alpha. Alpha is this 5 pi by 4, where n is belonging to z. This is general solution. Next is third one. Third, tan theta is minus 1. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. Tan theta is equal to minus of tan pi by 4, which is tan is negative in the second quadrant, so which is tan of pi minus pi by 4, which is 3 pi by 4. Tan of 3 pi by 4, tan theta is equal to. Now as we know, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Tan alpha, what is the solution? Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So alpha is this 3 pi by 4. Therefore theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha is 3 pi by 4, where n is belonging to z. So very simple. Once you know formula, we can easily find out the solution, general solutions. Question number 5, general solution we find sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2, tan 2 theta is equals to root 3, cot 4 theta is equals to minus 1. So let us start with this first question. Sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. We know sin of pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So that is sin of pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 2 theta is equal to sin pi by 6. Now sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Therefore this implies 2 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n alpha. Alpha is here pi by 6, which is pi by 6. Therefore required theta is equal to n pi upon 2 minus 1 raised to power n divided by 2 pi by 12. So n is belonging to z. N is belonging to z. So this will be the general solution. Next question. Tan of 2 theta upon 3 is equals to root 3. Tan 2 theta upon 3 is equal to root 3. We know tan of 60 degree, that is pi by 3, is root 3. So we will write it tan of pi by 3. So thus we are getting tan 2 theta upon 3 is equal to tan pi by 3. Now tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So we will write it theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies this. So here alpha is this. Therefore 2 theta upon 3 is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha is pi by 3. Now we required theta only. So therefore theta is equal to multiply by 3 by 2, 3 by 2 n pi plus the 3 is getting cancelled and it will be pi upon 2. 3 by 2 we are multiplying, 3 is getting cancelled, pi by 2 is remaining, wherever n is belonging to z. This will be the solution of the second equation. Now third equation. Our third equation is cot of 4 theta is minus 1. So let us begin here. Cot of 4 theta is minus 1. We take reciprocal of this. What will be the reciprocal? Tan theta. Tan of 4 theta. Tan of 4 theta is minus 1. Again reciprocal of this is same. This is equal to minus of tan pi by 4. And tan is negative in the second quadrant. So we write pi minus pi by 4. So that is tan of pi minus pi by 4. And which is 3 pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. Here tan of 4 theta. Now as tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So this is our alpha 3 pi by 4 and this is theta. Therefore 4 theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha is 3 pi by 4. Therefore, dividing by 4, theta is equal to n pi upon 4 plus 3 pi upon 16, where our n is belonging to z. This will be the general solution. See the general solution of first question, n pi upon 2 minus 1 raised to power n upon pi upon 12, and this is general solution of the second and the third. Another equations, sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. For all these equations, fortunately we are having the common solution that theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, where n is belonging to z. For all these three equations, we are having this same solution, same general solution. So let's prove this. Sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Now multiply both sides by 2. 2 sin square theta is equal to 2 sin square alpha. And we have identity that 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. So we are applying this second one here. 2 sin square theta, will write 1 minus cos theta, cos 2 theta. Therefore 1 minus cos of 2 theta, right hand side 2 sin square alpha. So 2 sin square alpha is 1 minus cos 2 alpha. 1 minus cos 2 alpha. So clearly this 1 is getting cancelled. Minus sign and minus sign will again get cancelled, and we will get, so this 1 is getting cancelled, minus sign will get cancelled, and finally we are getting cos of 2 theta is equal to cos of 2 alpha, and we apply cos 2 theta. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. This implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So we use this equation. Solution is this general solution. So instead of theta there is 2 theta, and in place of alpha there is 2 alpha. So this will be general solution. General solution will be this: 2 theta is equal to 2n pi. 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. Alpha is 2 alpha. 2 alpha, and this 2 is getting cancelled, and we will get theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, where n is belonging to z. This is a general solution. Similarly, second, this is first one, sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. See the second one, cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Multiply both sides by 2. So again we will be getting 2 cos square theta is equal to 2 cos square alpha. Same this 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. So in place of 2 cos square theta, we will write 1 plus cos 2 theta. In place of 2 cos square alpha, we will write 1 plus cos 2 alpha. 1 is getting cancelled. So cos 2 theta is equals to cos 2 alpha. Again we are getting the same relation. So cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 alpha. And we apply same, that cos theta is equal to cos alpha is theta 2n pi plus minus alpha. So in place of theta there is 2 theta, and in place of alpha there is 2 alpha. So therefore 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is 2 alpha. Now this 2 is getting cancelled and theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, where n is belonging to z. This is the solution, general solution. Now the third, tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Third one is tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Now if we take reciprocal of both sides, so we will be getting 1 upon tan square, 1 upon tan square alpha. So take reciprocal, 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 1 upon tan square alpha. Now we apply here componendo dividendo, that's two equal ratios, a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d, componendo dividendo. So we apply here, so we will be getting 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square alpha, 1 minus tan square alpha. Now again we take reciprocal of both sides. Now if we take reciprocal of both sides, so what we will get? We will get formula in terms of cos of 2 theta. Now we take reciprocal of both sides. If we take reciprocal, 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, right hand side 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha, 1 plus tan square alpha, and we are familiar with this, that it is a formula for cos of 2 theta. We have cos 2 theta is equal to, in terms of tan, it is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So what is this? It is cos of 2 theta, and this is cos of 2 alpha. Now as cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies theta is equal to, therefore 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is what? 2 alpha. Now this 2 is getting cancelled, so that theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, where n is belonging to z. This is the general solution. See, fortunately for all three equations we are getting the same solution, n pi plus minus alpha. So first is sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Second is cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. And third is tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. So for all these we are getting same solution, that theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, where n is belonging to z. So easy to remember that n pi plus minus alpha, where n is belonging to z. Question number 6. In question number 6, 4 cos square theta, it is in terms of square. So 4 cos square theta is equal to 3. Let's attempt this. 4 cos square theta is equal to 3. 4 cos square theta is equal to 3. That is, cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4, which is root 3 upon 2 square. So cos square theta is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. We know root 3 by 2 is cos of pi by 6. Cos of 30 degrees root 3 by 2. So it will be cos pi by 6 square. So we'll write it cos square pi by 6. So thus cos square theta is equal to cos square pi by 6, and we apply cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Therefore theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is this pi by 6, where n is belonging to z. This will be the general solution. Now let's attempt second question. What is our second question? 4 sine square theta is equal to 1. Now this 4 we take here in the denominator. Sine square theta is equal to 1 by 4, which is 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 is sine of what? Pi by 6. Sine square theta is equal to sine square of pi by 6. Sine of 30 degrees 1 by 2. So sine square pi by 6. Therefore theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is pi by 6. So which is pi by 6. N belongs to z. Very simple. N belongs to z. So this will be the general solution. Now third one, cos of 4 theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. Third we attempt. Cos of 4 theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. Cos of 2 theta. So we can apply directly cos theta is equal to cos alpha, or we take this in the left hand side. So it is cos 4 theta minus cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Now cos c minus cos d, it is minus 2 sine c plus d upon 2 factorization formula into sine c minus d upon 2. 4 theta minus 2 theta upon 2 is equal to 0. So sine of 6 theta upon 2, that is 3 theta, sine 3 theta, and this is 2 theta upon 2, that is theta, sine theta. As right hand side is 0, so no need to write this minus 2. So simply we'll write it this 0. Sine 3 theta is equal to 0, or sine theta is equal to 0. Now as sine theta is equal to 0, so n pi theta is equal to n pi. We have a solution. Sine theta is equal to 0 implies what? Theta is equal to n pi. So therefore here 3 theta is equal to n pi, or theta is equal to n pi. Now as 3 theta is equal to n pi, so theta required is n pi upon 3. Theta is equal to n pi upon 3 here, or theta is equal to n pi. But here suppose our n is multiple of 3. N is an integer. See here, n is integer. Suppose हमारा n is equal to multiple of 3 है. So this 3 is getting cancelled, and again we are getting the same solution. So no need to write this once again. So simply this is sufficient. That means our solution is this. Theta is equal to n pi upon 3, where n is belonging to z. So this will be the general solution of the third equation. So first, second and third equation, these are the general solutions. Question number 7, sin theta is equal to tan theta. We find general solution of this. So we'll take tan theta in the left hand side. Sin theta minus tan theta is equal to 0. Tan theta will write sin upon cos theta minus sin upon cos theta is equal to 0. LCM is this cos theta or multiply throughout equation by cos theta. So sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Right hand side we multiply this cos theta, 0 it will be. Sin theta we are taking common. Sin theta taking common. So if we take sin theta common, cos theta minus 1 we will get 0. So either sin theta is 0 or cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore sin theta is equal to 0 and or cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is getting sin theta is equal to 0 implies theta is equal to what? We have identity sin theta is equal to 0 implies theta is equal to n pi. So therefore theta is equal to here n pi, and further cos theta is equal to 1. Cos theta is equal to 1. Now cos of 0 is 1. Cos of 0 is 1. Cos theta is equal to cos 0. Now cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So alpha is 0 here, therefore theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Plus minus alpha means plus minus 0. So thus we are getting theta is equal to either n pi or theta is equal to 2n pi, where n is belonging to z. But if suppose n is even, so then we are getting this, so no need to write this, and these are same. So therefore we simply write theta is equal to n pi only, where n is belonging to z. Now as n is integer, so if n is even, so it will be like this. So same solution. So instead of writing this, we write only this. Theta is equal to n pi. This is the first answer. Second answer. See the second sub question. Tan cube theta. Tan cube theta is equal to 3 tan theta. We'll be taking this 3 tan theta again in the left hand side. Tan cube theta minus 3 tan theta is equal to 0. What we can take common from here? Tan theta. Tan theta. So what is left here? Tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore this tan theta is 0 or this is 0. Tan theta is equal to 0 or tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Now tan theta is equal to 0 implies result we have tan theta is equal to 0 implies theta is equal to n pi. So therefore here theta is equal to n pi. Now this we find general solution of this. Tan square theta is equal to root 3 whole square. Taking this 3 in the right hand side, and we'll write in this form root 3 square. But it is tan of pi by 3. Tan 60 degrees root 3. So root 3 is what? Tan pi by 3 whole square. That means it is of the form tan square theta is equal to tan square of pi by 3. Now apply tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. See here tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So we apply here theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is this pi by 3. So thus we are having theta is equal to n pi. Here theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n is belonging to z. N is belonging to z. So this is our solution. Theta is equal to n pi and theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. So this general solution of the equation 2. Look at the solved example 9. Sin theta, sin 3 theta, sin 5 theta is equal to 0. We find general solution of this. Look at this theta and phi theta. So theta plus phi theta we group, then we get theta plus phi theta upon 2 will be 3 theta. 6 theta upon 2. Therefore we group this 2. Sin theta plus sin phi theta. ठीक है, ये दोनों को ग्रुप करेंगे. Why we are group this? Because of this theta plus phi theta upon 2 is 3 theta we are getting, this middle one. Therefore we group this 2 plus sin 3 theta is equal to 0. Then we apply here factorization formula. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 theta plus phi theta upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2 theta minus phi theta upon 2 plus sin 3 theta as it is equal to 0. Here this will be 3 theta, 2 sin theta plus phi theta 6 divided by 2 3 theta into cos, this is minus 4 theta upon 2 minus 2 theta plus sin 3 theta is equal to 0. We can take sin 3 theta common. So sin 3 theta common from these two terms. Here cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos minus 2 theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. 2 is left here, cos 2 theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Product of this 2 is 0, that means this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Sin of 3 theta is equal to 0 or 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now again we arrive this sin theta is equal to 0 implies theta is equal to n pi, where n is belonging to z. Therefore 3 theta is equal to n pi, that is theta is equal to n pi upon 3. Theta is equal to n pi upon 3 or cos of 2 theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Cos pi by 6 is pi by 3 is 1 upon 2. This is minus cos of pi by 3, and in second quadrant cos is negative, so it is cos of second quadrant, that is pi minus pi by 3. This is 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi. Cos of 2 theta is equal to, this is 2 pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 3. So thus cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3 means cos theta is equal to cos alpha we are getting. So we apply this cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Same here we apply 2 theta. In place of theta there is 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is this 2 pi by 3. So it is 2 pi upon 3. We can cancel this 2 and we are getting theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. So thus our solution is what? What is our solution? Theta is equal to n pi upon 3, n pi upon 3, or theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n is belonging to z. This is a general solution for this equation, which is a solid example.